so fake. You made me laugh. It was a dream. It was only just a dream.
Mr. Mushnick? Yeah, I think we need to get rid of Audrey too.
Whoa.
I'm not getting rid of Audrey too. The plant killed us.
No, I'm not getting rid of the plant.
Ooh.
Audrey, I thought you had a date.
I did, but I had to leave. I think it's over between...
Hey, Audrey, talk some sense into Seymour. He's talking about getting rid of Audrey too.
But why, Seymour? It's already attracting customers.
I told you, the plant kills. Audrey, you have to believe me. We have to go far, far away from jerks and man-eating plants.
I believe you, but I'm not sure you want to believe it. I'm bad.
You're not bad, Audrey, and you don't deserve bad. I can show you that.
Oh, okay, I'll go.
Okay. Mr. Mushnick, me and Audrey are leaving. If you want to keep Audrey too, that is your problem.
What?
Fine.